The term website speed is also known as website load time, and it refers to the length of time it takes for a user to see all of the material on a given web page. It's also the time it takes a web browser to retrieve data from a server. Users don't like to be kept waiting for lengthy periods of time, which is why website performance is one of the most important factors to consider when classifying page speed insights. Our goal is to assist website owners in measuring the load time of their websites and determining how to improve performance. This website speed test tool will tell you which of your pages are either slow or too fast. Go to https://toolspliss.com/spider simulator, enter the URL and click on Submit button. In some seconds, it will show detailed analysis of your website displaying LCP, FCP, CSS information, overall page score, etc. Do try this tool to improve 3 areas where your website is lacking. Link of the tool is in description below. Please like, share and subscribe. Turn the notification on for daily update on new tools for your successful online journey.